Click the Download tab on the sidebar, which will redirect you to the Caelus Discord server. Go to FAQ, and then click on the GitHub page. There you can install the Caelus Launcher exe, Please run the exe once so it can download the client. I recommend using Cloudflare if your ISP blocks the Caelus servers, and then go back to the Caelus website. Just refresh the page. Then click the play button, and then you will be in. Enjoy Caelus. Have a good day.